You have just kept it, thought, "Arey, मैं एक second में, I'm coming in a minute," and that bag is gone, and then you are stuck on land for 1 year to collect all those documents. So these documents cost a lot. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So if you are joining ship for the first time, the things that you need to take, number one is at least $100 in your pocket. ये पैसे इसलिए important है so that if in case you do not get your agent or you have to call back home, something is urgent, or you need to eat food, the delay in the flight is a lot, at least you need to have those $100. Second thing you need to have is the company before signing, before sending it, they will give you a grievance redressal form or a form where all the contact numbers will be given. So in that, the contact number of the agent will be given, the contact number of companies people will be given, so that in case you are lost in a company when your money is not there, you can contact those numbers and get some help. Third thing is you need to have a bag in which you can carry your documents, and this bag you should not leave from your eyes no matter what. There have been instances where this bag has got stolen while going in a train. You have just kept it, thought, "Arey, मैं एक second में, I'm coming in a minute," and that bag is gone, and then you are stuck on land for 1 year to collect all those documents. So these documents cost a lot. If you're a captain, they can cost you around 1 crore rupees, because if you do not go on sale for 1 year, you've lost that much money. So always in the bag and always with you, in flight, in front of your eyes, in cabin luggage, otherwise whether you are traveling, always with you. Your passport and CDC along with that money should be in a small handbag, you can say, a very small of this size, which you can carry around your shoulder over here, which you can carry, which is over here, and up above you can wear a jacket like this so that no one can snatch it from you. This I was told when I joined ship for the first time. So मैं अपना passport, अपनी CDC, अपने tickets, I keep it in that bag, and over that I am wearing a jacket so that nobody can snatch it. कोई खींच नहीं सकता, because bags कई बार snatch हुए हैं अलग countries में. But passport CDC is very important, otherwise आपका घर आना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. That is very important. So your documents, your contract letter, जितनी भी चीज़ें कंपनी से मिली और all that you have, you need to have all those things with you. Apart from that, now comes the other crucial things. So other crucial thing is to carry as many undergarments as possible, because on ship it is very hot and humid. At least 10 vests and 10 underwears you need to have, because you will be changing them frequently, and at least 10 pair of socks as well. Why? Because sometimes as a cadet you will not have much time, ज़्यादा time नहीं होगा कि ये भी धो रहे हैं वो भी धो रहे हैं, तो उस टाइम पे कई बार क्या होता है, हम पुरानी socks भी wear those socks again and again, and then we have problems, skin issues with our feet as well. So please, hygiene is very important. Carry as many undergarments with you, as many socks with you as well. Carry sandals with you or slippers with you, but they need to be with a strap at the back. You are not allowed to roam around on ship in alleyways wearing slippers which do not have a strap. Many accidents have happened in the past because वो strap वाले जूते नहीं थे, slip कर गए and you have fallen. So never do that. Apart from that, carry normal clothes, as many t-shirts as possible. Carry your dress, very very important. Carry those epaulets with you. Carry as many boiler suits you can. You do not have to carry surf with you. You do not have to carry soaps with you. You do not have to carry towels with you. At least you can carry one towel, because if you are going to a hotel and they do not provide you with a towel, then you have to have one. You have to carry shampoo with you. You have to carry a nail cutter with you. You have to carry comb with you. You have to carry hair oil with you. You have to carry a trimmer with you. Very very important. You have to carry a conditioner if at all. Very important. Soap wash, very important. These are the toiletries that are very important that you need to carry. Apart from that, t-shirts, shorts, presentable, not ज़्यादा रंगीन, formal ones. You should look presentable. If you're roaming at the night time in the alleyway, you're wearing them. Otherwise, always good to wear pajamas, good t-shirts, not very things, useless things written on the top. Plain t-shirts are always good one. Carry as many 2 to 3 at least shirts and trousers with you. Don't forget to carry black shoes along with the dress, because if you're going for a party, definitely for the first time or second time you should go in formals. That is what I feel is very very important. Apart from that, if you have a laptop, that is good. If you have a mobile charger, all these things are very important. When you are going to the airport, remember you are not getting any sharp objects with you. So these are the things that are very very important, and I might be forgetting एक दो चीजें. If I am forgetting anything, anybody knows I am forgetting, please mention down below कि सर आप ये चीजें भूल रहे हैं. I'll be really thankful. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.